Hello, this is Li Ping. Today I'd like to share what I learned in Module 1. I'd watched some of our classmates' videos and I learned a lot from them. In my video, I will focus on two things. The first one is the class name. The class name and the file's name must be matched. The second one is about the parameter. I create a public class named TurtleFileWork and then saved as a file named turtlefilework.java. Here I like to point out that the file's name must be exactly the same as the class name, must be exactly the same. And in this class, I create a world, filework, and in this world, I create 6 turtle named from Bob 1 to Bob 6. It just make it easy to remember. And these 6 turtles are the objects of this class. These objects will follow the class, follow my orders to do some actions like turn, forward, some distance, turn again, turn special degree again, and then go forward some distance, and then at the end draw a triangle. Here I like to talk about the draw triangle. It's a new method I create in TurtleJava with a pyramid. So I can change the pyramid from one number to from the other number. Let's see. For example, we change the Bob 3 from 50 to 80. See what will happen. So it became bigger. Then let's change this one. This method set pen width, so that change the Bob 6 from 5 to 1. Let's see what will happen. Compile. Run. Here, that's the change. That's Bob 3. That's Bob 6. Now, I like to ask Bob 1 to draw, to call the draw triangle method again. So I'll do this way. See what will happen. File 1. So now Bob 1 have second triangle, but this, although he calls the method draw triangle exactly the same, but these two triangles are not at the same position. Why? Why they are not in the same position? This is the question I bring up to you. That's all what I want to share with you. Thank you for watching.